Hey, what's going on? It's your boy BT, and I partnered up with the pound for pound kings of boxing apparel, Fighting Mad. They offer unique designs and styles of fighters such as Anthony Joshua, Tyson Fury, Deontay Wilder, Vasily Lomachenko, Muhammad Ali, and many, many more. Fighting Mad is offering 20% off on all sales in July as part of their partnership with your boy BT and True School Sports when you enter the promo code TRUE20-July. So whether you're at the fights, at the gym, or just at the house, chilling, Fighting Mad has you covered with the most stylish designs and ways to rep your favorite fighters when you're out and about. For more info, check the link in the description.
Hi everyone, this is Brandon's dad, and you're watching True School Sports.
John Ruiz. Oh, I wanted to ask you, Holyfield, what was your actual reach? Because I noticed I've watched a couple of your fights, and I noticed that in certain parts of your career, they say your reach is 75 3/4, and then in other parts of your career it was 77 and a half.
77 and a half.
So it's 77 and a half.
Okay. 81.
It was 81. Okay, yeah, because I noticed that one time, so they must have got your reach wrong earlier in your career.
It's all depending on how they measure. Some people measure here.
Yeah.
Some people do like that.
Okay. Was BOWE the longest guy you fought as far as reach?
No.
Or
Lewis.
What was Lewis's reach?
I don't know, but I know it.
You should know, bro. That's your best friend.
Hey, you put it in my bag.
I saw you at the on TV. I was watching you at the Tyson Fury fight. How was that?
Okay.
It was all right. You weren't impressed?
No, because you know what? It is sad. It is sad that this is America.
Yeah.
You know, and how we, you know, when it comes down to money, people change up and they do things that's not even fair.
Okay.
You know, you got to do things right. I think when you're fair and right, you do things. You do unto other people like you want them to do unto you.
Absolutely.
You should be fair around the board. I'm saying, so you know, everything that you do, it makes boxing the game that it is. It don't get. It's still in the fabric and the quality of individuals for who they really are.
Yes.
You know, is he known as a knockout puncher?
No.
Okay then. I did. Then how did he knock this boy out? So what did you do? You get a guy that's
He was made to order. He was tailor made for him.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You know, I'm telling you, I'm telling when you talking about boxing, people watch boxing, they looking for authentic truth. You know, if you who you are, then you who you are. But you know, when people now, if you talk about countries,
Yeah.
you talk about countries, you talk about tough people. Who people gonna tell tough people what country they come from? United States.
America.
They're gonna United States. They're gonna say, and they, you know, you're gonna say Russian. You're gonna say Germany. It's certain countries that when you look at men's, you know that whether they fight or not, they tough.
Yeah.
Just cause they from the country. Like this is ain't nobody looking for no weakness like this. And so what I'm saying, you know, when you see this German guy and you say, oh shoot, this gonna be a tough fight. The guy wasn't aggressive. He looked like he was aggressive.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm telling this guy hitting the guy long arm punches, you know, I'm just, you know.
So you didn't like the opposition. You thought Fury was just that much better than his opponent.
No, it's not that. You know, the whole big thing is that. But this guy just went straight defense. He, you know, I'm telling you, you know what? If you don't even know how to fight, if somebody came up to you, you know, whatever shot I throw, I'm gonna throw my hardest shot and try to kill him.
Yeah.
You realize it's gonna take a lot to get him, so you gonna swing hard. This guy, I ain't do that. You can tell what would happen with anybody, whether they can fight or not. Because I know how to fight, and anybody who don't know how to fight, he's a mean guy. Whatever he's swinging, he gonna swing out with all his might. He gonna try to knock you out.
Yeah. So okay.
You ain't gonna go straight defense and go, oh.
Yeah, you're talking about Tom Schwarz. He didn't even have, he wasn't even throwing jabs. Like, he was just throwing these long, wide hooks, and Fury looked impressive. Fury looked great, because the style is made for him.
Well, the thing is that he's fighting a guy who intimidated about him anyway.
Yeah.
You know what? It's just like almost like. This is for what is his name? The guy from the guy from Alabama.
Deontay Wilder.
Yeah, Deontay.
Your boy. Yeah.
Deontay. Now he got a lot better than this. And anytime he gonna fight you. Because he's a tough guy. Every shot he throw, he trying to get you out of there. I'm like, he ain't gonna tap you.
He's gonna come up.
He gonna get you. I'm done with saying that with confidence. So I'm telling you, that you can't give to nobody. That's how people are. If you go in a place around the world, people tough, they not gonna come in worried about how hard you gonna hit them. They know they gonna hit you hard.
That's it.
Listen, whatever shot I get, I might well throw my hardest shot, because you know what? That may be my last shot.
Yeah.
But at least I hit it. Like I said, that's it. So you can tell when you got people come in already made up their mind that I'm gonna keep from getting hurt. I don't want to get hurt.
Yeah.
You can kind of see that in situations.
Well, that's actually Tom Schwarz. He actually wound up getting hurt more because he fought that way. You know, Tyson Fury had gave him a bloody nose and all this stuff. And
have you ever seen the fight?
Who? The other guy, the German guy. I saw one of his fights. I saw one before he fought this fight. He fought a guy from I forgot named Russia or one of those Middle Eastern countries. He fought a guy named Sined Gashi, who's like really he's not that good of a heavyweight. Like, he's probably like top 60 maybe. And he had a draw with him. He fought him to a draw. So I already knew going in Fury was gonna destroy him. But it was what it was. Did you see his entrance when he came?
Why you ain't tell nobody? Why you ain't tell nobody?
I made videos about it. I said it's the perfect opponent for him to look good. That's what I said. My videos before the fight. I love what's called coming in. Fury?
Yeah.
When he came in like Apollo Creed and this James Brown, This Is America. Did you see that, Bo? Tyson Fury when he came out to the ring for his last fight.
See, I ain't got nothing against Tyson Fury. I don't have nothing against the fighter.
Yeah.
You got to do things right, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, either they go fight or they not go fight.
Yeah.
You can't set nothing up.
I knew he wasn't right his opponent. I knew he wasn't right mentally. I don't know if were you at the weigh-in that week? At the weigh-in, he went to the weigh-in, and when they were facing off, he was smiling at Tyson Fury, and he ate a Snickers bar in his face, because that's what Andy Ruiz. That's Andy Ruiz's thing. He's like he was trying to say, oh, he was trying to say like I'm like Andy Ruiz, and he ate a Snickers bar in Tyson Fury's face, and he smiled at him. So he kind of just looked happy to be there. He didn't look like he really wanted to. He didn't believe that he could win. I don't think he believed he could win. He was happy to be there, and if he won, great. If he didn't, okay, you know, go on with your life.
Yeah. See, you know.
Did you get a chance to talk to Tyson Fury at all that week when you were there, or no? No? You were just there and that was it? No, but I was trying to tell. Let me see.
That when he tore you up.
Yeah, Jimmy.
What video is that?
What about I want to...
That's you and Jorge Luis Gonzalez?
Yeah. Let me see that long.
Yeah. But Bo, I was trying to tell you, Bo.
I don't know, both y'all look like y'all left hand.
Hey, this is Adrian Granados, and you're watching True School Sports.